Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called Is E Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. This video is going to be a cook with me. I am going to be making my famous chicken salad. All of my friends love it. All of my family loves it, and you're going to love it too. So stay tuned for this delicious recipe of my famous chicken salad. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so let's get started. First, we're going to actually make a chicken soup, and these are all the ingredients that will be needed for that, and these are the ingredients that will be needed for the actual chicken salad. So for the chicken soup, of course, we need chicken, bell pepper, onion, minced garlic, as well as some fresh garlic, lemon, Land O'Lakes butter. I prefer the salted kind, as well as I have some garlic and herb Land O'Lakes butter, Italian dressing, some Swanson chicken broth, and my staple seasonings, which includes lemon pepper, Old Bay, accent, and garlic salt. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I use boneless, skinless chicken breasts in order to make my chicken salad. However, you can use whatever type of chicken that you prefer. I am just going to start by adding my chicken breast to this deep skillet pan, and then I am going to use a knife to basically penetrate the chicken breast so all of the seasoning and the spices can easily get into them. Next, I am going to start seasoning my chicken breast. I am going to use the seasonings that you've seen at the beginning of the video. And if you have ever seen any one of my cook with me's, I use these seasonings in every recipe. They are my staple seasonings, but I am going to season both sides of the chicken breast. Okay, lifestyle lovers, next I am going to move on to adding my veggies. I am chopping up some bell pepper and onion along with the chicken breast, and I am going to use both the minced garlic and the extra virgin olive oil, as well as the fresh garlic. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so now I'm going to move on. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of the Land O'Lakes garlic and herb butter, and I'm going to allow the chicken breast to sear on each side along with the onions, garlic, and bell pepper. Okay, lifestyle lovers, now I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice over my chicken breast, and I'm going to go ahead and drop those wedges of lemon right into the pot along with everything else. Okay, lifestyle lovers, now I'm going to go in with my Italian dressing, and I am just going to drizzle a generous amount all over the chicken breast. Okay, lifestyle lovers, it's time to turn up the heat a little bit. I am going to go ahead and add the chicken broth, and we are going to allow it to boil. Now, the celery is actually for the salad portion, lifestyle lovers, but I'm just going to go ahead and add some celery into our chicken broth or chicken soup, whatever you want to call it, because the celery will actually give it a good flavor. And I typically have a lot left over, so I'm going to go ahead and just add some celery up in there. Okay, lifestyle lovers, once it has reached a high boil, then I'm going to go ahead and cover it and turn the heat down and allow it to simmer. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I'm just going to move on to go ahead and boiling my eggs. Now, typically I use 2 eggs per chicken breast, but I only have 7 eggs left, so that is what I am going to use. Okay, lifestyle lovers, like I told you at the beginning of the video, everybody loves my chicken salad. But what I do not like about making it is cutting up the celery. It is the most tedious part of making the chicken salad. I'm not using a chopper because I like my celery finely chopped up. As you can see, I have to do it by hand in order to have it so small. And it takes time, especially when you're making a pretty good batch. So now I am going to move on to finally chopping my celery up for the chicken salad. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I would recommend that you simmer your chicken broth anywhere between an hour and a half to 2 hours. In this clip, I am just simply taking a fork and turning my chicken breasts over. They are not done to my liking, and I will tell you why. As you can see, I am simply able to stick the fork in them and turn them over. So I'm going to allow them to boil anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. And I'm going to come back and then I'll let you know the difference. Okay, lifestyle lovers, notice that when I am turning these chicken breasts over for a second time, how they are completely falling apart. I'm not able to flip it without them tearing apart. Now it is time to turn the pot off. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I actually would advise you to allow the chicken breasts to cool because they're basically going to fall apart on their own. As you can see, they're already doing. But I'm hangry. Not I'm hungry. I'm hangry. And I'm ready to eat. Not I'm ready to eat, but I'm ready to eat. So I have taken the mayo and the sour cream and placed it in the freezer. That way it will cool my salad when I get ready to mix it. As you can see, the chicken breast is falling apart, so it won't take much handwork on your part. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a large fork to basically mash the chicken breast up, or shred it up is probably more like the word that I need to be using. So I'm just going to shred my chicken breast and I'm going to add everything and start mixing it into the chicken salad. As you can see, lifestyle lovers, I am using both a fork and my hand to go ahead and shred the chicken up. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and cut all 7 of my eggs up into all of the chicken. And I did realize that I was not going to have enough room to mix up all the chicken salad, so I am moving it to a larger glass dish. And I'm going to go ahead and add in all of the chopped celery. I want to make sure that the celery is evenly distributed throughout the chicken salad, so I'm just moving it around with a large fork. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I typically do not do measurements because I have made this recipe so many times, but for the sake of this video, and I know people like preciseness, I am going to measure the sour cream as well as the mayo. So I am going to add 2 1/4 cups of sour cream and 2 1/4 cups of mayo. Okay, lifestyle lovers, next I'm going to add some yellow mustard. Now this I am not going to measure, just squeeze it across your entire salad as I am doing here. And then next I am going to go in with some ground mustard. I'm also not going to measure this. I am just going to sprinkle it across my entire salad. Just make sure the entire pan is covered with yellow mustard and dry mustard. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything together. I do have to add my seasonings, but I wait and do that last. I just want to make sure that the salad is mixed well and I don't need any additional wet ingredients such as the sour cream or the mayo. And I prefer my chicken salad on the wetter side, so I am going to add a 1/3 cup of mayo as well as a 1/3 cup of sour cream. Okay, next, lifestyle lovers, I'll go in with my seasonings, which is the same exact seasonings that I use to season my chicken breast, and that is the Old Bay, accent, garlic salt, as well as the lemon pepper. You can season it to your particular preference of taste. I typically season it once, I'll stir it once, and then I'll season it again, and then I'll stir it again. And now, lifestyle lovers, wait for it, wait for it. We're going to add a little bit of that chicken broth to the chicken salad. If you get a little bit of onion or a little bit of bell pepper in there, it does not matter. It has been boiled down to softness, so you will not taste it. And although you may not taste it in the chicken salad, it will definitely add more flavor to your chicken salad. And mix that chicken salad until your heart is content. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I have pretty much used a glass bowl to place my chicken salad in and use some of the celery leaves as garnish. I have garnished it as well with some Old Bay, and you can eat it however you like. If you want to eat it alone or if you wanted to eat it with Ritz crackers. My daughter, she loves it with celery. I do not particularly care for it with celery, but I love to place it on an English muffin and add some everything bagel season as well as some avocado. You talking about some good eating? And you can also get some of the Hawaiian rolls from Publix and make a sandwich out of it. It is football season, so if you want to use it as an appetizer for your guests, that is an absolute great idea. Lifestyle lovers, if you try this recipe, make sure you let me know how you like it because it's good. I already know it's good. So let me know how you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know because your girl can burn. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, lifestyle lovers. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.